thing that impresses me most about the Symphonie system is the accuracy in the cast and the ability that the Symphonie has to make a perfect fitting socket.
The results that we get with the Symphonie Aqua System gets us to the finish line faster with better patient satisfaction and success.
The Symphonie braces full weight bearing through the residual limb during the casting process and gives very high hydrostatic compression to the soft tissue and bony areas of the residual limb. It helps decrease pain and discomfort areas that amputees often struggle with in traditional sockets and casting methods.
They had literally casted me hand cast and then casted me with the Symphonie side by side, and then basically gave me the blind test socket and told me to give them feedback on which one I preferred. And it was the Symphonie that I could immediately tell the difference on. And just the way that it feels on the leg, the comfort throughout the day, the fact that I don't have to add and remove socks all the time has made the life very, very simple.
Being fit with a Symphonie socket is much easier on the patient. They're coming back to our office for less fits. We have a perfect fitting socket out of the gate.
Right away, from the very beginning with the Symphonie process, it just felt like I was getting such a better and more accurate fit. To be able to go from casting in this new system to my first test socket fitting and feeling like just a part of my leg is such a huge step for me.
We can take a patient and cast the patient using a Symphonie casting method and have that patient up and walking in a matter of 2 hours with how we cast and fabricate here at TCOP.
The experience that you have when you're full weight bearing on the Symphonie system, you feel whole. It's comfortable. There's nothing that is bringing up any of your nerve endings that are going to cause us our daily pain. There's none of that.
We have years of experience in many different socket designs to improve the overall comfort and function of a prosthesis. We are experts in the Moss socket design. We also are very efficient at the hi-fi socket design. And now we have the Symphonie system. These are 3 major systems to improve the overall comfort of a socket. And the socket is the most important part of a prosthesis. If we don't have comfort, that prosthesis is going to sit in a closet.
Patients want to be fit with their prosthesis within the first 2 hours. They want to be walking on a test socket, and they want to get back to their busy lives. And that's what the Symphonie helps us achieve and helps the patient get to in a short amount of time.
As early adopters of that system, we are now fit over 200 amputees with the system with success on all 200 amputees.